Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Infiniti G35's thermostat. Start by ensuring your engine is completely cool. This is crucial for safety. You will need a 10mm socket, pliers, and a large drain pan. Place the drain pan under your radiator, then open the petcock or disconnect the lower radiator hose to drain about 2 gallons of old engine coolant. This step prepares your system for the new thermostat. Next, gain access to the thermostat. You might need to remove the air filter housing and some hoses that are in the way. The thermostat housing is located on the driver's side of your engine. Carefully disconnect the lower radiator hose and the smaller bypass hose. Then, use your 10mm socket to remove the 3 bolts securing the thermostat housing. Be ready for a small amount of coolant to spill out. Now, it's time to install your new thermostat. First, clean the engine block's mounting surface to ensure a perfect seal. Place the new thermostat and its gasket into the housing, making sure the gasket is properly aligned. Reattach the thermostat housing, securing it with the 3 10mm bolts. Tighten these bolts to a specification of 75 to 90 inch-pounds for a secure fit. Finally, reconnect all hoses and reinstall the air filter housing. Begin refilling your cooling system with about 9 1/4 quarts of fresh, appropriate coolant. Use a no-spill funnel and gently squeeze the radiator hoses to help release any trapped air bubbles. Run your engine with the heater on high until it reaches operating temperature, ensuring all air is bled from the system for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.